Starting your day with a few simple stretches can make a big difference in how you feel physically and mentally. Regular stretching can improve flexibility, reduce tension and stress, and increase blood flow to your muscles, giving you more energy and focus throughout the day. In this article, we'll explore 10 stretching exercises that you can do every morning to help you feel your best. 1. Neck stretch. Backward, and to each side for 10 seconds each. One. Shoulder roll. Roll your shoulders forward and backward, 10 times each. 2. Chest stretch. Place your hands behind your head, elbows pointing outwards. Gently push your elbows back, stretching your chest. Hold for 10 seconds. Three. Upper back stretch. Clasp your hands in front of you and round your upper back, pushing your hands away from you. Hold for 10 seconds. Four. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Reach forward with your arms, trying to touch your toes. Hold for 10 seconds. Five. Quadricep stretch. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your right leg, bringing your heel toward your buttocks. Hold your foot with your right hand and balance by holding onto a wall with your left hand. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch legs. Six. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall with your hands on the wall. Step back with your right leg, keeping your heel on the ground. Lean forward, stretching your calf. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch legs. Seven. Hip flexor stretch. Kneel on your left knee with your right foot in front of you. Lean forward, stretching your right hip. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch legs. Eight. Spinal twist. Sit with your legs crossed. Place your right hand on your left knee and twist to the left, looking over your left shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Nine. Child's pose. Kneel on the floor with your toes touching and your knees slightly apart. Reach forward with your arms and place your forehead on the ground. Hold for 10 seconds. Incorporating these stretching exercises into your daily routine can be an effective way to improve your physical and mental well-being. Remember to take deep breaths while stretching and to stretch gently without overexerting yourself. By starting your day with these simple stretches, you can help reduce tension, improve flexibility, and increase blood flow to your muscles, giving you more energy and focus to tackle whatever the day brings.